Top Hat has been essential to my learning experience so far. It definitely keeps me more engaged and interactive throughout my long lectures and labs.
We use it every day in my accounting class, and we use it to take attendance. We use it to answer prompted questions by my professor. We use it to just assist our learning and help solidify the concepts that we're working on that day in class.
Seeing how my classmates responded also gave me a much clearer idea of how well I actually understood the material. It made me feel more prepared and more confident when it was time to present.
That you are available to actually see your scores and keep a track on what are you missing, what's some content you need to maybe spend more time on, and really easy to understand, especially for me as a visual person.
Top Hat makes me stay more involved, more accountable, and honestly makes learning a way more modern and interesting. It's been one of the tools that's actually improved how I study and to understand the content.